I'm sorry, I think I have not turned on the mic. Shuklam Varadharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadhanam Dhyayet Sarvabighnopashantaye Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Jnananandamayam Devam Nirmalasphatitakritim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivam Upasmahe सरस्वती नमस्तेस्तु वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी हंसवाहनमारूढे विद्यादानं कुरुष्व मे. So today's subhashitam is Vidya Vivadaya Dhanam Madaya Shaktihi Paresham Paripeedanaya Khalasya Sadhoho Viparitam Etad Jnanaya Danaya cha Rakshanaya. This means knowledge causes controversy, money causes arrogance, strength results in tormenting others. So the difference between an evil person and a saint is that they are used for gaining wisdom, for charity, and for protecting others by the latter. In the sense, when an evil person gets knowledge, he uses it for creating controversies. With his money, he only becomes arrogant. And if he has strength, he uses it to torment others. Whereas a saint, what does he do? He uses knowledge for becoming wiser, and he spreads the knowledge as well. And he uses his wealth for charity, and the strength that he has, he uses it to protect the others who are around him. So that is the difference between an evil person and a saint. Here, if you look at the words, we have Vidya, is learning or knowledge or education. Vivadaya, this is in Chaturthi Vibhakti. So we will be seeing the Chaturthi Vibhakti today. Here it indicates the purpose or the end result. Knowledge results in controversy, that is Vivadaha. Vivadaha is the result of knowledge if it is in an evil person. So the end result is controversy. And Paripeedanaya is also in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Paripeedanam is the Shabda, Paripeedana Shabda, and the Chaturthi Vibhakti is Paripeedanaya. Similarly, Madaya, Dhanam Madaya, arrogance. It causes arrogance is the meaning. So Chaturthi Vibhakti, the uses of Chaturthi Vibhakti we'll be seeing. So I just wanted you to know this. Similarly, there is Jnanaya, Danaya, Rakshanaya. All these are Chaturthi Ekavachana Rupani. And a suggestion. Many of you have raised doubts through emails. I suggest that you also use the Telegram group, because we have created the Telegram group for this purpose. So if you raise your doubts in the group, then it might benefit the others as well. I wanted to just give you this suggestion. And the other thing is that when you email me with doubts, please mention the exact lesson, page number, and the exercise number, because otherwise it's very difficult to find out which question or which part of the lesson you are referring to. Now let us quickly revise what we have done from the beginning of Vibhaktis. First, of course, is the introduction. In introduction, we saw how there are two types of words in Sanskritam, and which are Subantas and Tingantas, nouns and verbs, Namapadani, Kriyapadani, respectively. So Subantas have Sup Pratyaya at the end. because every word has two parts, which are Prakriti and Pratyaya. Subanta has the Pratyaya part as a Sub Pratyaya. Tinganta has a Ting Pratyaya as the Pratyaya part. Then we also saw the different attributes of each type of word. For Namapadas, there is the Shabda that we need to know. Every Shabda has a particular ending. It ends in either a vowel or a consonant. So that is the Anta. Then there is a Purusha. Asmad and Yushmad are the only first person and second person nouns respectively. Everything else is Prathama Purusha or Anya Purusha. So the Anta and the Linga. Finally, the Lingam is also based on the word itself or the Shabda itself. So if you are given a Shabda, you will automatically know the Purusha, Linga as well as the Anta. Then we can derive its 24 forms in the 7 plus 1, 8 vibhaktis in the 3 vachanas. So that is regarding the Namapadas. For Tingantas, there are 9 forms because the basic attribute of the verb is the dhatu. It can be one of the 2000 dhatus that are there in Sanskritam. Not exactly 2000, around 2000 dhatus are there. Then it has a particular lakara. Lakara is either the tense or the mood. So within that, there can be Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha and Uttama Purusha. And in the 3 vachanam, in the Eka vachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. So you get 9 forms for every lakara, for every dhatu. Then we saw in detail what vibhakti is. Vibhakti is the ending, that is the pratyaya, which is added to the pratipadikam or the prakriti part of the namapada, which is the subanta padam. This vibhakti has 4 different purposes. One is that it can be used for pointing out something. It can be used, to indicate a relationship with a verb or a relationship with another noun, or it can be used in conjunction with other specific words. So these are the purposes of vibhakti. Then we also saw that there are 7 vibhaktis, with the first vibhakti, Prathama, having 2 types. A subdivision called the Sambodhana Prathama. Then we saw that in learning vibhaktis, we have to learn both the rupas and their usage, where a particular vibhakti is applicable. This is the introduction for vibhaktis. Then we saw Prathama Vibhakti in detail. We saw that it can either be the subject of the sentence or it can be used that noun which is being pointed out. That is the Prathama Vibhakti. In passive voice, it can be the object as well, but that is not, we are not going to see that now. Passive voice sentences we will learn later. Sambodhana Prathama is used for addressing. So the person who is being addressed or called will be in Sambodhana Prathama. In Dvitiya Vibhakti, we saw that it can either be the object. It appears along with these specific indeclinable words, Prati, Vina, Ubhayataha and Sarvataha. There are many other words with which only Dvitiya Vibhakti will come. But initially we are seeing these 4 words, Prati, Vina, Ubhayataha and Sarvataha. Prati is towards, Vina is without, Ubhayataha is on both sides and Sarvataha is everywhere or on all sides. So when the verb is one involving movement from one place to another, the destination, the noun which is the destination in the sentence will appear as the Dvitiya Vibhakti Rupa. Then we saw some Dvikarmaka Dhatus. That is, those Dhatus which are associated with 2 Karma Padas. Karma Pada is nothing but the object. The examples of such Dhatus are Vachati, Dandayati, Prichhati, Nayati harati. There are many other such dhatus, but now we are seeing just these 5. Then Tritiya Vibhakti. The last class we saw that Tritiya Vibhakti is used to indicate the conjunctions or the words by, the prepositions by, with, and by means of. So the tool or instrument which you're using to do an action is represented as Tritiya Vibhakti. We also saw that it appears along with the word Saha. So along with, so usually we use in English along with. So there itself you can find out that it is a Tritiya Vibhakti, that is act. So there was a doubt raised by a student which said, so Hastena itself is with. So why do we have to say Saha? So here it is along with. For example, Aham Hastena Khadami means I eat with the hand. Whereas Aham Balena Saha Gachami means I go along with the boy. So I don't exactly use the boy as a tool for going, but I just accompany him, or he accompanies me rather. The principal action of going is done by me, but he is just coming along. So that is the sense indicated by the word Saha. So all the words having the meaning of Saha will also get Tritiya, but for now we are just seeing words with Saha. So these are the two cases where Tritiya Vibhakti usages will be practiced by us in our exercises. Let us do the Shabda Ratanam today, and then we will continue. The first, these are the Shabdas we have seen till now. Rama, Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabda, Akaranta Strilinga Rama Shabda, Akaranta Phala Shabda, Ikaranta Hari Shabda, Ukaranta Guru Shabda, Tad Shabda, the 3 lingas, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga forms, Mati, which is the Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda, and Dhenu, Ukaranta Strilinga Shabda. So we will start the practice. If somebody wants to recite the Shabda, you can raise your hand. I see that there are very few people who are volunteering. Please be bold and volunteer. This is a good opportunity for you to practice, and even if you make mistakes, it is okay. Vidyamutyam, do you want to say the Rama Shabda?
Yeah, Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Yeah. Akarantah Pullinga Shabdah Rama Pullingah Rama Shabdah.
Yes.
Ramah Ramau Ramah He Rama He Ramau He Ramah Ramam Ramau Raman Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyah Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam Rame Ramayoho Rameshu.
Uttam. Samyak Bhagini. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Rama Shabda. Uma Suresh.
आकारान्तः श्रीलिङ्गः रमाशब्दः स्त्रीलिङ्गः रमाशब्दः रमा रमौ रमाः
रमा रमे रमा
रमा रमे
रमाः
रमाः हे रमे हे रमे हे रमाः रमां रमे रमाः
yes.
रमया रमाभ्यां रमाभिः
Yes.
Ramaihi, Ramai, Ramabhyam,
Ramayai.
Ramayai,
is Chaturthi. Yes.
Ramayai, Ramabhyam, Ramabhyah,
Yes.
Ramayaha, Ramabhyam,
Ramayaha.
Ramayaha,
Dirgha Makara also. Ramayaha.
Ramayaha,
Yes.
Ramabhyam, Ramabhyah,
Yes.
Ramayaha,
Ramayaha.
Ramayaha, Ramayoho, Ramanam, Ramayam, Ramayoho, Ramashu.
Ramasu. It is the
Ramasu.
Sakara. Yes. Very good attempt, Mugini.
Thank you.
Samyak. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.
Uma Ganti Bhagini, do you want to try the Phala Shabda?
Yes, Bhagini. Can you, Ram, can you hear me?
Ram. Yes, I can.
Okay. This is Akarantaha, Napunsalingam, Napunsalingaha, Phala Shabdaha. Phalam, Phale, Phalani,
Yes.
He Phal, He Phale, He Phalani,
He Phala.
He Phala, He Phale, He Phalani. Phalam, Phale, Phalani. Phalena, Phalabhyam, Phalabhyam,
Yes.
Phalahi, Phalaihi, Phalaihi,
Yes.
Phalaya, Phalabhyam, Phalebhya, Phala, Phalebhyaha. Right.
Yes.
Phalebhyaha, Phalat, Phalabhyam, Phalebhyaha, Phalasya, Phalayoho, Phalanam,
Yeah.
Phale, Phalayoho, Phaleshu.
Uttam. Samyak Bhagini. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad Bhagini.
T.S. Lakshmi Bhagini. Do you want to try the Tad Shabda? Pullinga Rupa.
हाँ भगिनी
Yes.
राम राम
Namaste.
ईकारान्तः
You want to
पुल्लिङ्गः
try the Hari Shabda also? Okay.
हरि शब्दः
Okay. Ikara.
then what which I want to tell भगिनी you tell that I will try
You can try. Let us go in order. You can tell me the Ikara, the Hari Shabda.
okay हरि शब्दः हरिः हरि हरयः इति प्रथमा हे हरे हे हरि हे हरयः हरे हरयः इति संबोधन प्रथमा हरिं हरि हरीन् इति द्वितीया हरिणां हरिभ्यां हरिभिः इति तृतीया हरये हरिभ्यां
It is
हरिभ्यः
Okay. Yes.
हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः इति चतुर्थी हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः हाँ भगिनि हरिभ्यः इति पंचमी हरेः हर्योः हरीणाम् इति षष्ठी हरौ हर्योः हरीषु इति सप्तमी
It's Harasva Ikara.
Harishu.
Harishu. Only for
Harishu.
Dvitiya and Shashti you get the Dirgha Ikara forms. So it is Hari, Harin and Harina. Only those two get Dirgha. Everything else is Harasva.
हाँ
Dhanyawad. Samyak.
धन्यवाद हाँ
Ukaranta Pullinga Guru Shabda. Anybody wants to try? Shri Ram Kumar. There.
राम राम नमो नमः
Ram. Namaste.
उकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः गुरुः गुरु शब्दः गुरुः गुरु गुरवः हे गुरु हे गुरो हे गुरु हे गुरवः गुरुं 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 गुरु गुरु गुरून् गुरुणा गुरून् गुरुणा गुरुभ्यां गुरुभिः गुरवो गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः गुरवे गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः गुरवे गुरोः गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः गुरोः गुरुवोः गुरूणां गुरौ गुरुवोः गुरुषु गुरुषु
गुरुषु एक्सेलेंट सम्यक् महोदय धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः
दकारान्त पुल्लिंग तद् शब्दः शांति दिनवाही
राम राम भगिनी
राम राम नमस्ते
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तद् शब्दः सः तौ ते तं तौ तान् तेन ताभ्यां तैः तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्य तयोः तेषां तस्य तयोः तेषां मिन् तयोः तेषु
उत्तमं
धन्यवादः भगिनी
Shakti Srinivasan महोदय can you try the स्त्रीलिंग तद् शब्द
राम राम भगिनी
राम राम
दकारान्तः श्रीलिङ्गः तत् शब्दः सा ते ताः तां ते ताः तया ताभ्यां ताभिः तस्यै ताभ्यां ताभ्यः तस्याः ताभ्यां ताभ्यः तस्याः तयोः तासां तस्यां तयोः तासु
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः भगिनी
साई जी महोदय do you want to try the नपुंसकलिंग तद् शब्दः
राम राम
राम
दकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गं तत् शब्दः तत् ते तानि तत् ते तानि तेन ताभ्यां तैः तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्य तयोः तेषां तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु
सम्यक् भगिनि धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः
इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः मति शब्दः रंगप्रिया शेखर
राम राम
सॉरी यस राम राम नमस्ते
राम आचार्य नमस्ते मति मति मतयः हे मते इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः मति शब्दः मति मति मतयः हे मते हे मति हे मतयः मतिं मति मतीन् मतीः Matihi.
For Hari Shabda, you get Harina, but for Mati, it is Matihi.
Matihi.
Yes.
Matina. Matibhyam. Madhya.
Matya.
Matya.
Yes.
Matya. Matibhyam. Matibihi.
Yes.
Mataye. Matibhyam. Matibhyaha. Mate.
There are
Mate.
two forms from the Chaturthi Vibhakti onwards. Matyai, Mataye, both are applicable.
Okay. Matye.
Matyai. Like Strilinga Shabdas, you get Matyai, like Sitayai, and so on. So you get Matyai as well as Mataye, just like Haraye, you get Mataye as well. So Matyai, Mataye, Matibhyam, Matibhya.
Okay. Matye, Mataye, Matibhyam, Matibhyaha. Matehe, Matibhyam, Matibhyaha.
Matyaha, Matehe, both forms are. So from the fourth Vibhakti, all the remaining four get two forms each.
Okay.
Matyaha, Matehe.
Matyaha, Matehe, Matibhyam, Matibhyaha.
Yes.
Matyaha, Matehe, Matyoho, Matinam.
Yes.
Matyau.
Matau.
Matyam. Matyam.
Yes.
I need to practice more.
No problem. No problem. You are making an excellent attempt. Please continue.
Dhanyavadaha.
Matishu is the Bahuvachana.
Matishu.
Dhanyavadaha. Samyak. Ukaranta Strilinga Dhenu Shabdaha. Ramya Vijayaraghavan. Ram K. Oh, sorry. Yes, Ramya Bhagini, do you want to try?
You can hear me?
Yes. Ramana.
Ram Ram. Ukarantah Strilingah Dhenu Shabdah. Dhenuhu Dhenu Dhenavah.
Yes.
Dhenu Dhenu Dhenuhu.
Yes.
Dhenava Dhenubhyam Dhenubhihi.
Yes.
Dhenvai Dhenave.
Yes, two forms, Dhenvai and Dhenvai.
Dhenvai and Dhenave. Then there is Dhenubhyam, Dhenubhya.
Yes.
Dhenvaha, Dhenauho.
Dhenoho.
Dhenoho. Dhenvaha and Dhenoho. Dhenubhyam, Dhenubhyaha.
Yes.
Again, Dhenvaha and Dhenoho.
Yes.
Dhenvoho again. Is that right?
Dhenvoho. Yes.
Dhenvoho and Dhenuna.
Dhenuna. Dirgha Ukara. Dhenuna.
Dhenuna.
Yes.
Dhenvam, Dhenau.
Dhenau. Yes.
Dhenvam, Dhenau. Dhenvoho, Dhenushu. And the Sambodhana is Dhenushu.
Yes.
He Dheno, He Dhenu, He Dhenavah.
Uttam. Samyak Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
So if somebody wants to read Hari Shabdam onwards, we will do one more revision. Before we learn the three new Shabdas for today, which is the Etat Shabda in the three lingas. Ram K 1986. You want to try? You just have to read. You're self-muted. You're unable to unmute yourself. Okay. Radha Madan. Vinny, do you want to try?
Ram Ram Mahodaya.
Ram Ram. Namaste.
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः हरिशब्दः हरिः हरि हरयः हे हरे हे हरि हे हरयः हरिं हरि हरीन् हरिणा हरिभ्यां हरिभिः हरये हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः हरेः हर्योः हरीणां हरौ हर्योः हरिषु.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
Prithvi, you can try the next shabda.
Yes, ma'am.
Guru. Ramara. Namaste.
Namaste, ma'am. Guruhu, Guru, Guruvaha, He Guru, He Guru, He Guruvaha, Guru, Guru, Gurun, Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubihi, Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, Guru, Guroho, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, Guroho, Gurvo, Guruna, Gurvoho, Gurvoho, Guruna, Gurei, Gurvoho, Gurushu.
Gurau, Gurvoho, Gurushu.
Gurau, Guroho, Gurushu.
So we always start with the heading Ukarantah.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Ukarantah, Pullingaha, Guru Shabdaha.
Guru Shabda.
Guru Shabdaha. Thank you, ma'am.
Next is Mati Ikarantah Strilingaha. Praveena HN.
नमस्ते भगिनी.
राम नमस्ते.
इकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः मति शब्दः मतिः मति मतयः हे मते हे मति हे मतयः मतिं मति मतिः मत्या मतिभ्यां मतिभिः मत्यै मतये मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः मत्याः मतेः मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः मत्याः मतेः मत्योः मतीनां मत्यां मतौ मत्योः मतिषु. धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद.
Next is Dhenu Ukarantah Strilingaha Dhenu Shabdaha Padma Narayan.
राम राम राम. उकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः धेनु शब्दः धेनुः धेनु धेनवः हे धेनो हे धेनु हे धेनवः धेनुं धेनु धेनुः धेन्वा धेनुभ्यां धेनुभिः धेनवै धेनवे धेनुभ्यां धेनुभ्यः धेनवः.
It is just the consonant there. Dhenvai, dhenave.
Dhenvai, dhenave, dhenubhyam, dhenubhyah. Dhenvaha, dhenau, dhenubhyam. Dhenvaha,
dhenoho, other two.
Dhenavaha, dhenoho, dhenubhyam, dhenubhyah. Dhenavaha.
Dhenvaha. It's not Dhenavaha, it's Dhenvaha.
Sure, okay. Dhenvaha, Dhenau, Dhenubhyam, Dhenubhyah. Dhenvaha, Dhenoho, Dhenavo, Dhenvoho, Dhenunam. Dhenva, Dhenau, Dhenvoho, Dhenushu. Dhenushu. Dhenushu.
Yes.
Thank you.
Dhanyavad. Now we are going to see the etad shabdah, dakarantah, pullingah, etad shabdah. If somebody wants to read, yeah, Padma Krishnamachari.
Hello.
Ram Ram. Yes.
Ram Ram. Namaste.
Namaste.
Dakarantah pullingah etat shabdah. Yeshah etau ete etam enam etau enau etan enam etena ene etabhya etaihi etasmai etabhya etebhyah etasmat etabhyam etebhyah etasya etayoho yenayoho etesham etasmin etayoho yenayoho eteshu.
Samyak. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Next is Strilinga, Dakarantah, Strilinga, etad shabdah. Nirmala Krishnan Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram. Namaste.
Ram Ram. Namaste.
Dakarantaka Srilingah etad shabdah. Yesha ete etaha etam enam ete ene etaha enaha etaya enaya etabhyam etabhihi etasya etasye etabhyam etabhyah etasyaha etabhyam etabhyah etasyaha etayoho enayoho etasam etasyam etayoho enayoho etasu.
Samyak. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Next is Napumsakalinga, etad shabdah. Meenakshi Venkatramani.
Namaste, Acharya.
Ram Ram. Namaste.
Napunsakalingam etat shabdah. Etat, ete, etani. Etat, enat, ete, ene. Etani, enani. Etena, enena. Etabhyam, etaihi. Etasmai, etabhyam, etebhyah. Etasmat, etabhyam, etebhyah. Etasya, etayoho, enayoho, etesham. Etasmin, etayoho, enayoho, eteshu.
Samyak. Dhanyavad. So the homework was to complete exercise 5 in lesson 17 and also 9 and 10. So there were some doubts. The first thing is in page 61 for exercise 5, Prabhuhu, Bahuhu, etc. are given in the as neuter gender in the textbook, which is wrong. They are all masculine gender words. So you have to make that correction. Please make a note of this. Then in there was a sentence which said, Ashvaha, the horse runs with its legs. So I had by mistake given the suggested answer as Padabhyam. It should be Padaihi. Many of you have written to me asking if Padaihi is the correct thing. It is correct. So I just wanted to mention this in class. I will make the correction in the answer sheet which is uploaded as well. Then in page 54, Dvitiya Vibhakti, the boys are going without books. So Balaha Pustakam Vina Gachanti is also correct. And Balaha Pustakani Vina Gachanti is also correct. So there are no books, so it is difficult to attribute a number. But since the sentence is given as books, we can safely say Pustakani Vina Gachanti. Next is, I had an email question which said, in 17, 10, 3 and 6, these are the two sentences, you both play with foot. It has Padabhyam as the answer. We both salute with heads as Mastakena as the answer. So how do you determine the number? So for now, I thought we could just stick to one standard, that individually the person goes with 2 feet and he bows down with 1 head. So depending on the number of organs which are involved in the action, let us take the number irrespective of the number of people who are doing. So since the action is done individually, irrespective of the number of people, I have taken the number of organs in each individual. For example, when we say we all run with legs, we mean we all run with our 2 legs. So the number of people doing the action is irrelevant. So I will anyway confirm this, but for now let us keep the standard as the number of organs which are in each individual which are involved in the action. I wanted to clarify this as well. So lesson 18, we were supposed to read. I thought we'll just quickly read this in class and go ahead with the Chaturthi Vibhakti. So if somebody wants to read, you can raise your hand. M. Lalita Bhagini, you want to read this?
Yeah, madam. Namaste, madam. Ram Ram.
Namaste.
Raja,
so
king.
The meanings of the words are given here, many of which you already know. Raja is king. Okay.
Raja, king. Daridraha, poor man. Purataha, in front of. Agamanam, coming. Maya, with me. Api, also. Saha, along with. Karoti, does or makes. Karoshi, you are doing. Taya, with her. Srusha, daughter-in-law. Correct, madam?
That is a nakara inside the sakara, so it is snusha.
Snusha, yes. Okay. Can, with whom, Bad, speak, Eva, only, Badra, good man.
Excellent. Dhanyawad. So there is a small story here. It is a very simple story, and they have given the difficult words in the beginning. So who wants to read the story? Malini Sundar Raman, do you want to try? Malini Sundar Raman. We can't hear you. Raman.
Can you hear me?
Yes, now we can.
Namaste, Ram Ram. Ekaha Raja, a king.
Which means Ekaha Raja Asti. There is a king.
Okay. Tasya Purutaha Ek Daridraha. There is a poor man.
Sorry, it should be Purataha. We have seen the avyaya puratah, isn't it? In front of. So this is that avyaya. There is a spelling mistake. Please correct this. Tasya puratah ekah
Ek
daridraha.
daridraha. There is a poor man in his presence. Raja Bhadra Agamana Karanam Kim.
Yes. So the king says, Bhadra.
Sir, what is the reason for your arrival?
Yes.
Daridraha. Ekaha sandehaha. Poor man replies, a doubt.
Yes.
Raja. Kaha sandehaha? King. What is the doubt? Daridraha. Amba kripayati.
We will stop here and give somebody else a chance. Very well read.
Thank you, ma'am.
So there is a king. In front of him, there is a poor man. And king asks him, Bhadra Agamana Karanam Kim. Karanam is the cause. What is the reason? I'm sorry, the reason. What is the reason for your coming? And he says, Ekah Sandehaha. I have a doubt. And Raja asks him, what is the doubt? So we'll proceed. Malini Kumar, Bhagini. Malini Kumar, you are muted. You want to unmute and read? Lalita Balaji Bhagini. Lalita Balaji. You are also self-muted. Yes.
Madam, yeah, Ram Ram.
Ram
Ram Ram. Daridraha. Amba kushyati or kupyati?
Kupyati.
Kupyati. Okay. Daridraha. Amba kupyati. Woman. Mother is angry. Raja. Kena. King. For that. For what reason? Why? Daridraha. Tatra eva sandehaha. Na maya. Na snushaya. Woman. There lies the doubt. It's not due to me. It is not due to the daughter-in-law.
Yes. Dhanyavada. So the poor man says, Amba kupyati. Kup is the dhatu for being angry with. So to be angry is kupyati. Amba is angry. Mother is angry. Raja asks Kena. Kena is Kim Shabda Tritiya Vibhakti. With what or for what? For what reason? So the implied meaning is Kena Karanena. What is the reason? So Daridraha says, that's where the doubt is. That Tatra Eva Sandehaha Asti. We know the Avyayam Tatra. We also know Eva only. And Sandehaha is doubt. Na Maya. Maya is, we have seen this in Asmad Shabdaha Tritiya Vibhakti. So not with me, not because of me. And na snushaya. Snusha akaranta strilinga. It's like Sita Shabda. So like Sitaya, this is snushaya. This is also Tritiya Vibhakti. Na snushaya. The poor man says, not due to me, not due to the daughter-in-law either. So the poor man has this doubt that the mother is angry, but he does not know with whom or for what. Next is Krishna Narayan Mahadev. Do you want to read?
Namaste, Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Raja, Snusha kim karoti? King. What does the daughter-in-law do? Daridraha. Sapi kupyati. Poor man. She is also angry. Raja. Kena. King. For what?
Excellent. Dhanyawad. So Raja asks, what does the daughter-in-law do? Snusha, kim karoti, kim shabda vinu. What does she do? Karoti is do. So the Daridra replies, the poor man replies, Sa api. There are two words here, Sa and api. She also is angry. Kupyati. Raja asks, Kena, why, for what? Kena means for what. We have already seen it in the last sentence. Kannan Krishnamurthy Mahodaya. You're self-muted. Kannan Krishnamurthy Mahodaya. Do you want to read this?
Ram.
Sorry, Mahodaya. Yes, you can read. Ram Ram.
Raja, Snusha, kim karoti? King. What does the
This we
daughter-in-law
already
do?
saw. One moment. Just a moment. So he asks that why, what does the daughter-in-law do? She is also angry, and he is not sure. He is not with him or with the mother. Okay. Daridraha says,
Daridraha, na ambaya, na maya. Poor man, not due to my mother, not due to me. Raja, from kim karoshi? King, what do you do? What do you do? Daridraha. Ahamapi kupyami. Poor man, I am also angry. Raja, Kena, king, for what? Daridraha, na maya, na taya, Rajana, tat kasya deshaha I am.
here it is na taya. Two times it appears. Na taya means not with the daughter-in-law, not with the mother. So na taya. There are two ladies, so he says it two times. Not with her, not with her. Rajan is Sambodhana form. This is a different kind of Shabda where the Sambodhana form is Rajan. So Vada means you say or you tell me. Kasya doshaha ayam. Whose fault is this?
Kasya doshaha ayam.
Ayam. Doshaha is fault. Dhanyavadah Mahodaya. Samyak uttam. K. Srivatsan Mahodaya, do you want to read this?
Yeah, Mahodaya. Raja Dharidraha Kupakara iti dhanam yachati. The king thinking that, yeah.
Sorry, this is Raja Daridryam. Daridryam is poverty. The quality of being poor is Daridryam. Kopakaranam, the cause for anger. Okay, yeah. Please go ahead. Kopakaranam iti dhanam yachati.
The king thinking that poor is the reason for poverty is the reason for angering, give money.
Anger gives
money.
Yes. Uttamam. So can you read this?
Yeah. Amba krishyati na maya
It is a spelling mistake there. It is kupyati, not pushyati. Amba kupyati.
amma kupyati na maya na shushpya
Snushaya.
Ushaya sapi nambaya na maya ahamapi
Ambaya na maya.
na ambaya na amaya aham api na thaya vadha raja kasya doshaha mahodaya
Vadarajan.
Rajan
Yes.
kasya doshaha ayam.
Dhanyavad.
Yeah, Mahodaya.
Sorry. Yes, Mahodaya, you were saying something.
Yeah, Mahodaya, I sent the mail. Actually, I cannot understand. Actually, some network problem. You can explain me one time.
It has already been explained today. Please go back, and you had sent a mail regarding the Tritiya Vibhakti usage, isn't it? That is with, by means of, and with and by means of. So it is used in two contexts. Tritiya Vibhakti is either used in the meaning of by, with, or by means of, or it is used along with the word saha. When the word saha comes, you use the Tritiya Vibhakti noun along with it. That is the meaning.
Yeah.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada, Mahodaya.
So, Raja says, Raja Darityam Kopakaranam iti dhanam yachati. He says, he thinks that the poverty is causing everyone to be angry, so he gives him money. That is the so nobody is sure as to who is angry with whom and for what. So the king decides that okay, they are all angry because they are all poor. So he gives him money, and it's given in the form of 2 lines, which summarizes the story. Amba kupyati na maya na snushaya. Mother is angry neither with me. She is angry, but not with me, but not with the daughter-in-law. Sapi na ambaya na maya. The daughter-in-law also is angry, not with mother, not with me. Ahamapi na taya na taya. I am also angry, not with her, not with my mother. Vadarajan, tell me, O king, kasya doshaha ayam, whose fault is this? So this is a simple story where you have the usage of Tritiya Vibhakti. Now we'll go to the Chaturthi Vibhakti forms. I think we have already run out of time. So I think it's better to start this in the next class itself. Let me take some questions because I've not answered any questions right from the beginning. Yes, so this question, the horse runs with its legs. Please change it into Padaihi in the suggested answer. I will also correct it in the uploaded answer. In which Vibhakti to pronoun is used? That will be Chaturthi. We'll see that in the next class. We were supposed to see it today. It's okay. Kutaha, Kimartham mean the same. Yes. Why? Kutaha in some cases will also mean from where, but generally Kutaha and Kimartham means why. Both of them mean why. Those who would like to read the Shabdas or recite the Shabdas, you please raise your hands. I saw very few hands were raised, so I will really Okay. Chandrarekha Mantri Bhagini, do you have a doubt?
I have a
Ramana. Yeah.
Madam,
please go
I
ahead.
have a doubt. There was a sentence.
Yes.
There was a sentence. You are writing with pen. The question
Yes.
had lekhini and not lekhani. So can I take it as lekhinya or lekhanya? The
Lekhani is
question.
correct.
No, the word given
Lekhanya.
was lekh. The
That
word
should
given
have
is
been a mistake.
lekhin. Huh? Yes.
The word, it should have been lekhani. So you should correct it as lekhanya.
So the word has to be corrected in the textbook, you mean?
Yes.
So, and the third sentence, you are playing with foot. So it means only one foot, or they are having 2 feet. You both are playing with foot.
Yes. So normally we use both legs for playing. So you can say padabhyam. So each one plays with his own 2 feet, right? So we say
Because
padabhyam.
in other sentences you have taken other connotation, and in this sentence you have taken it as singular.
Did I say padena? I would have said padabhyam, right?
No, because I marked mine wrong. I had written padabhyam, but then because you wrote padena or something, I changed it.
Okay, I will check that. I'm not sure what I
Only
wrote.
these 2 sentences I had doubt.
Okay. Thank you.
So you
I will check
please say that, because lekhini is also a word in Sanskrit.
I will check that. I will check. Lekhani is what we usually say. I will check that and let you.
Okay. Thank you.
Dhanyavad. Prashant PS, do you have a doubt?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm having a doubt that you had mentioned that we are not going to see that how many number of people are doing an action, how much is involved. According to that, we will be using the vachanam. But what if we
Yes.
don't see number? Then which vibhakti do we use?
What if you? Can you come again with the question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what if we
What if
don't
you?
know the which means we don't know whether it is 1, 2, or more than 2?
So
Then which
generally, the number of, suppose it's eyes or ears or hands or legs, we use dual. If it is nose or mouth, we use singular and so on.
Ma'am, if it is some other word like balakaha asandaha means like if it is like the boy is sitting in a chair, then how do we find out whether in which
On a chair will be in a different vibhakti. An action for which you use a tool will be in Tritiya vibhakti. So with an aid which helps you do an action will be in Tritiya vibhakti. For example, kalamena, lekhanya, likhati. So it will be the number of pens that are being used. So unless you
now
know
we
the
don't know that whether she is using 1 pen, 2 pen, 3 pen, or 4 pen, then which vibhakti do I use?
So you will know with the context, or you will know with the translation sentence that is given. So you have to go strictly by that if you don't have a general idea.
Okay.
Only when body parts are involved, you should say if he's playing with his feet, then you say both the feet. So,
Then we can make out. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Bhadra means oh auspicious one, but generally in a conversational context, it is sir. Why is it karoshi? Karoshi is Madhyama Purusha. So he's talking to the person, that is the Daridraha. So he's saying, Tvam kim karoshi, what do you do? He says, I am also angry. So the Madhyama Purusha form of Kri Dhatu is karoshi. We have not learnt that, but just know that karoshi is what do you do. Only saha upapadam for third vibhakti, or there are more, there are many more. So for now we are seeing only saha. So for now we are not going to see ukar, we are not going to see the okaranta and aukaranta shabdas. We will see them later. In exercise 10, question 9, why it is phalani? Phalani is not possible. Why not phalaihi? In exercise 10, I will check that. I will, Lakshmi Mridula Ganduri, can you just email me your doubt? I will check the answer. I'm not sure which exercise you're referring to. So the Telegram link, if you send me an email, I can email you the Telegram link to join the group. So you can have a fruitful discussion, because whatever doubts you're raising, the others might also benefit from it. So I would like you to make use of the Telegram group well. Vidya Subramaniam, you have a question. I'll unmute you, and it will probably be the last question I will be able to take. Ramaran. Vidya Subramaniam? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Before 6 or 7 sessions, ma'am, you have sent the Shabdaratanam recording.
Yes.
Of Shabdas and Dhatu Rupas. In that, he said Pratama Purushaha, Dakarantaha, Tatshabdaha, then Pullinge. Sometimes you are using Pullingam form and Pullingaha. And when and where should we use like this?
Pullinge is the Saptami form. So when you want to say in Pullinga, it is like this. Then you will say Pullinge. So for now, you just don't worry about the way in which the Shabda has been used. Just focus on the portion within it. That is the forms which are to be memorized.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt you have?
No, ma'am. This is what I am doing.
So here are the questions. Let us find them here. Sita hears with ears. Sita karnabhyam akarnayati. So the word akarnayati appears in the textbook. There is also another word shrunoti which can be used, but that is an irregular verb, not an irregular verb. The form of the conjugation for shrunoti we have not learned. So let us stick to the forms which we are familiar with, which has ti, taha, anti, those forms. So it is safer to use such verbs. Okay, let us stop here. Shanti Mudra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayaha. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Just one more announcement. Please, for homework, learn all the shabdas that we are supposed to, that we have learned so far. And that will be the homework, because we have not completed anything. You don't have any kind of written practice or homework this week. Dhanyavadaha. Shubharatrihi. Punarmilamah.